Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. These will be essential for removing the screws and accessing the internal components of your Thermomix TM31. Start by unplugging your Thermomix from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely powered down before proceeding. Next, place the Thermomix on a stable surface, preferably a workbench or table, to give you ample space to work. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble the unit. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back panel away from the main body of the Thermomix. Be cautious during this step, as there may be wires connected to the panel. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now, with the back panel off, you will see the internal components of the Thermomix. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. A soft brush or a cloth can be used for this purpose. Regular cleaning can help maintain the performance of your device. Next, locate the panel that you wish to change. This is usually secured with additional screws. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. If you find this process daunting, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help if needed. Once the screws are out, gently lift the panel away from the device. Be mindful of any connectors that may be attached. If there are any, carefully disconnect them before fully removing the panel. Now, take your new panel and align it with the connectors. Ensure that everything is positioned correctly before securing it in place. Reattach the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened adequately, but not overly so, as this could damage the panel. After the new panel is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press it into place. Replace the screws at the back, ensuring they are all tightened securely. Before you plug your Thermomix back in, take a moment to double-check that everything is in order. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Finally, plug your Thermomix back into the mains and power it on. Test the new panel to ensure it is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the panel on your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.